Welcome to our tutorial on transferring funds from Earn to Spot on Binance. Let's dive in. First, log into your Binance account. Ensure your two-factor authentication is active for security. Next, navigate to the Wallet tab at the top of the homepage and select Earn. In your Earn wallet, find the Transfer button. Click it to initiate the process. Select the amount you want to transfer and set the destination wallet to Spot. Finally, confirm your transfer. Once completed, your funds will be available in the Spot wallet almost instantly. And that's it! You successfully transferred your funds from Earn to Spot. For quicker transfers, regularly check your balances and make sure you're aware of any transaction limits. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more crypto tips and updates. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Binance. Stay tuned for our next videos on crypto savings and investment strategies. See you next time.